Welcome to Design Atelier Unscripted. Here, today we're going to unbox another watch that's sent to us by one of our supporters. And just a little brief note, this used to be a YouTube short, but now I'm transitioning it. I'm upgrading it into an actual full-on video with my unfiltered, unscripted reaction to this unboxing. Well, as you may have known, that my channel is mostly heavily edited with some graphics. And this will have maybe some graphics here and there, but this should be an uncut and unscripted version of my reaction. So, so you can suffer together with me with all my blabbering and yammering and unfiltered thoughts. I don't know if that's a good thing, but nevertheless, you're here, you're watching. And since you're watching, I wanted to tell you guys before we begin with the unboxing, comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this watch, and those good comments will be mixed in or will be introduced and added into the actual video review of this watch. So if you have some thoughts, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and let's get on to it. Trusty knife, only from AliExpress. Nothing fancy there. Actually, I shouldn't be like using my knife for this one, but nevertheless, let's do it. I know you guys love that. I had this idea of having a knife channel also, and there you go. It's already spoiled for you guys. This came from Nove. Now, we've reviewed one Nove watch before. I think it's the Gemini. Now, let's see how this latest watch from Nove sizes up. This is the second version of their Atlantean, and they say it's a much more improved and more compact version of that watch. Okay, there we are. No. They have their customary card, as you can see. Thank you so much. Okay, put it there. And I love their packaging. Now, this kind of reminds me of my Oris packaging that I used to have, and they're still using the same one that they give out with their watches. And there we are. Oh, I didn't expect it to be that shiny, but man, that's a hefty watch. Look at how thick that is. No, right there. And there's some really, really shiny facets here on the case, rather on the bracelet. What do we have here? What else do we have? Okay, we have some stuff here. Oh, they resized the watches. They have these extensions in case that you want to use these for other straps. That's actually pretty nifty. There you go. And this you can, install on in the place of the end links. Yeah. What else do we have there? Okay, I just totally disassembled this watch box. Throw it away. Get up. And this is the Nove Atlantean 2. It's a nice deep green shine to it. Of course, I cannot turn it. Now, we're going to explore this further in the video. Look at that. Extension. Friction fit. Yeah, I have a thing or two about that. Well, we'll explore that in the video. Okay, so how do I get this? There we are. And then you have to switch this, I think that there. And then you can, there you go. So it's a bi-directional bezel. That's kind of different, right? Very different there. Well, the feel is a little soft. Okay, that's something that we can address also in the video. That's kind of soft. Then you lock it back in, push back that mechanism guard, and then here, of course, you can unscrew, change the date, change the hours and minutes, and there you go. That's the Atlantean 2 from Nove. Comment down below, like I said, Let me know what you guys think. The good comments about this watch will be introduced in the video review. Oh, let me try it first. Oh, it's still too big. Look at that. That's massive. Massive, 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 massive. But I've worn massive watches before. So that's not a far stretch for my puny tiny princess wrist. Watch pride princess wrist. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this Nove Atlantean 2.